Hey there, keepsake keepers and those who felt the weight of sentiment in the things they hold dear. This isn't just about possessions. It's about understanding the intricate dance between emotions and the inanimate and the psychological tapestry woven by our attachments to objects. Have you ever noticed how you feel a certain sense of comfort or security when you're around certain objects? Maybe it's your favorite childhood blanket, a piece of jewelry from your grandmother, or a souvenir from a special trip. These objects might not seem like much to others, but to you, they hold a special meaning and evoke strong emotions. This is because we humans have a unique ability to form emotional attachments to inanimate objects. We imbue these objects with our own personal meaning and memories, making them more than just physical things. This attachment can be especially strong during childhood when we rely on objects to provide us with comfort and security. Imagine this, my friends. A cherished book, a worn-out childhood toy, or a piece of jewelry that tells a story. Ever felt a surge of emotion when holding an object that carries memories or significance? That, my dear subscribers, is the emotional heartbeat of attachment to objects. There are many different reasons why we form attachments to objects. Some of the most common reasons include: 1. Emotional memories. Objects can become associated with happy memories, making them a source of comfort and nostalgia. 2. Sense of identity. Objects can represent our personality, values, and interests, helping us to define who we are. 3. Sense of belonging. Objects can connect us to loved ones, cultures, or communities, giving us a sense of belonging. 4. Physical comfort. Some objects, such as blankets or stuffed animals, can provide us with physical comfort and security. In most cases, object attachment is a healthy and normal part of human development. However, in some cases, it can become excessive and lead to hoarding behavior. Hoarding is a mental disorder characterized by the excessive accumulation of possessions, often accompanied by an inability to discard them. Central to our exploration is the application of attachment theory, originally conceptualized within the context of interpersonal relationships. We navigate the foundational principles of attachment theory, probing into how early experiences and emotional bonds shape individuals' predispositions, not only towards forming connections with people, but also towards forging profound attachments to tangible items. This video unfolds the psychological mechanisms at play, examining how objects become repositories of memories, comfort, and a tangible sense of continuity, thereby extending the reach of attachment theory into the realm of material possessions. The emotional resonance attached to objects is a rich and multifaceted tapestry where possessions cease to be mere items and transform into extensions of the self. Whether it be childhood teddy bears, cherished gifts, or everyday items imbued with personal history, these objects become repositories of emotional significance, offering a sense of security and contributing to overall emotional well-being. The exploration extends beyond the sentimental, touching upon the psychological phenomenon of transitional objects as introduced by psychoanalyst Donald Winnicott. These objects, often imbued with symbolic meaning, play a crucial role in facilitating emotional transitions, offering comfort during times of stress or change. However, the exploration doesn't shy away from the complexities that can arise in the realm of object attachment. As we navigate this expansive exploration, it becomes evident that the psychology of attachment to objects is a multifaceted and deeply ingrained aspect of the human experience. From the cradle to adulthood, the emotional ties we form with objects play a significant role in shaping our identity, providing comfort, and contributing to our overall well-being. By unraveling the intricacies of object attachment, we gain profound insights into the complex interplay between the tangible and intangible threads that weave the fabric of our emotional lives, offering a richer understanding of the ways in which the inanimate influences the human psyche. Now let's talk about the paradox. In a world that often emphasizes minimalism and detachment, the sentimental value we place on objects can be seen as irrational. But here's the beauty. These attachments are uniquely human, a testament to our capacity for connection and the stories that shape us. But it's not just about holding on to the past. Objects can also be anchors in the present. They provide a sense of continuity, stability, and familiarity in a rapidly changing world. It's like finding solace in the tangible embrace of a well-worn item. So, my sentimental sojourners, let's not just view objects as mere things. Let's delve into the psychology of attachment. It's not about clutter or possession. It's about recognizing the emotional landscape that unfolds when we form meaningful connections with the inanimate. As Marie Kondo wisely said, the best way to find out what we really need is to get rid of what we don't. Well, my dear subscribers, let's explore what we truly need and cherish in the stories and emotions embedded in the objects that accompany us on life's journey. See you in the next video.